Following the FlashForge formula, the Creator Max is characteristically sturdy. Its robust 15 kg metal frame. It has chosen to house the dual extruders in a single print head, meaning its print speed may be limited as a result of its weight. Straight out of the box, we see the various quality of life features on the body of the Creator Max. The thoughtful inclusion of the LED strips on the interior of the build chamber enables in the dark printing, while a set of handles on the sides of the frame make for easy carrying.